ISTQB Foundation Level, question 498. For which of the following would maintenance testing be used? A. Correction of defects during the development phase. B. Planned enhancements to an existing operational system. C. Complaints about system quality during user acceptance testing. D. Integrating functions during the development of a new system.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is B, according to ISTQB Syllabus. Enhancements, e.g. adding new features, improving performance, or making UI changes, require maintenance testing to ensure that the modifications do not introduce new defects or negatively impact existing functionality. Maintenance testing is triggered by planned enhancements, bug fixes, migrations, and retirements. An existing operational system that receives planned updates must undergo maintenance testing to ensure that the updates do not disrupt existing functionality. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because maintenance testing occurs after deployment, not during development. Defect correction during development is typically covered by component testing, integration testing, or system testing before the software is released. Answer C is not correct, because maintenance testing only applies after the system is operational and used by customers. User acceptance testing (UAT) happens before deployment and is focused on validating if the system meets business requirements. Answer D is not correct, because maintenance testing applies to existing systems, not new ones under development. Integrating functions is part of system integration testing during the development lifecycle. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, such as planned enhancements. This is fully consistent with the correct answer B. I do think that you are an incredibly talented person, and it will be ridiculously easy for you to answer such kinds of questions if you figure out all the ISTQB questions on my video channel. And then, passing the Certified Tester Foundation Level exam will not be a dream, but a reality. Don't stop, never give up.